Millions of independent workers are about to make a quiet, extremely expensive mistake on their tax returns this year. It stems from a massive overhaul of the tax code moving through Washington right now, a package of laws sold to the public as a way to simplify paperwork. To understand why this is happening, we have to look at the underlying economy. Headline inflation has hit 4.2%, driving up the baseline cost of living across the board. Energy costs, in particular, are squeezing the middle class. The cost of gasoline has spiked 40.5% over the last year. In response, the federal government passed the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or OBBBA. The legislation promises to cut red tape for independent contractors and gig workers. But in practice, it removes federal guardrails, shifting the entire burden of financial accuracy directly onto the individual. For decades, freelancers and side hustlers have relied on 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC forms to tell them exactly what income to report to the IRS. The OBBBA raises reporting thresholds. Previously, you received a 1099 for $600. Now that leaps to $2,000. For networks like PayPal, the 1099K limit jumps to $20,000 and 200 transactions, striking out the planned $600 phase down. For millions of workers, these forms will simply stop showing up in the mail, and that silence creates a highly dangerous false sense of security. The IRS is pulling back from active paper surveillance, transitioning toward an honor system for smaller transactions. But the underlying tax law remains intact. Every dollar you earn below those new $2,000 and $20,000 thresholds is still 100% taxable. Without a physical form arriving to prompt them, taxpayers are highly likely to subconsciously discount this income, leaving thousands of dollars off their returns. The danger lies in how we are paid today. Digital transactions, even those under the reporting limit, leave a permanent, trackable footprint on server logs. A freelancer might think a few $500 payments are invisible to the government, but a routine audit pulling bank records will instantly uncover undeclared Zelle or freelance transfers. Assuming the lack of a tax form means a lack of tax liability is the quickest way to trigger penalties under the new code. While the OBBBA removes the paper trail, it also cements a critical defense mechanism, the Qualified Business Income, or QBI, deduction. QBI actively shields up to 20% of your pass-through business income from federal taxes, locking it away before the IRS can touch it. Furthermore, full benefits now phase in up to $75,000 for single filers and $150,000 for joint returns. For micro businesses and casual side hustlers, the law introduces a new floor. Anyone generating at least $1,000 in qualified business income is now guaranteed a minimum deduction of $400. This mechanism turns the honor system to the taxpayer's advantage. By meticulously tracking and reporting those smaller, formless payments, independent workers secure the specific tax savings built into the code. To see how meticulous that tracking needs to be, consider a gig economy delivery driver operating in 2026. Their profit margins are already severely compressed by the 40.5% year-over-year spike in gasoline costs. The cost of driving has become so volatile that the IRS made a highly unusual off-cycle intervention, adjusting the deductible mileage rate exactly halfway through the year. Looking at this 12-month timeline, the rate begins at 72.5 cents. On July 1st, it fractures, jumping to 76 cents. Taxpayers must now maintain two distinct ledgers, separating every mile. This mid-year adjustment proves that legislative simplification on paper actually requires relentless, hyperactive bookkeeping in practice. Surviving 2026 requires logging digital income, isolating your July mileage data, and claiming the new QBI minimums. The tax code is a rigid system, but navigating its new thresholds makes it a precise tool for wealth retention. By understanding the psychology behind the missing 1099s, independent workers can take direct control over their financial margins.